Doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're starting. All right. So the first thing is that I want you guys to let me know where you guys are saying hi from, like where you guys located. And as usual, go ahead and smash the like button. Today's streaming, basically, we are going to be trading US30 and NASDAQ. Well, at least we're going to try. We're going to see if we have some opportunities to trade with. I just wanted to share with you. This is the HK50, which is like the Hong Kong index. It opens at this time, 19:15 p.m. my local time. It's doing good, but I exited because it didn't move immediately. But yeah, we're gonna do pretty much the same. All right, I see people from London. Crasher, I don't know what Crasher is. Riyadh, how you doing? Trinidad and Tobago. All right, so let's go ahead and from Botswana. So let's go ahead and start. Just let me know if it's I don't know honestly what's going on with my streamings. It's like YouTube is doing something. Is it getting slow? All right, so I'm trying to fix the freaking streaming, honestly. All right, we're gonna see if this. I don't know. I don't know, people. Honestly, I'm honestly thinking more like going to Twitch instead of actually streaming here. I don't even care if YouTube's gonna penalize me for saying that. But it's literally the stupidest streaming that I've ever had. Like the stupidest. And it's simply because of fucking YouTube doesn't even like, I don't care if they demonetize the video, but they simply just, it's stupid. All right. I'm pretty pissed right now, honestly. It's telling me that I should have a bit rate of 20,000. My bit rate. All right. We got 3 minutes for market opens. We're going to have to do it whatever it works right now. So yeah. That's what we're going to do. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at US30. Today's Friday, so there's a chance the markets are actually going to move slow today. By the way, here's my camera. So there's a chance that markets can move slow today. We're gonna see if we can catch a good movement. We got the resistance level, we got the support, and we have a lower support. Kind of see right here a trend line as well. There you go. So it's actually pretty obvious, right? Breakout above right here, and breakout below. I would honestly go below this support level. Even if it breaks the trend line, it could still retract. So I would actually go, to be safe for the bottom support. And all right, so this is the first one. I think the streaming actually got fixed. I don't even know. Let's see. This is NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, we got this support, and we got this resistance right here. We have no trend line, at least not visible. In 5 minutes, it's pretty much the same. So we're gonna go with the breakouts. Market opens in 30 seconds, people. You guys can open a pending order, or you guys can enter a market order. It's completely up to you. Whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Just always keep an eye on your charts in case you gotta close them immediately because of the big movement and you're in profits and so on. All right, that's it. I can't have two screens because I try to pay for TradingView. And guess what? Payment not going through. I guess I don't have money. All right. Market opened. All right. US30 opened a little bit bullish. I'm going to put my order right here. And yeah, I'm going to risk less today. NASDAQ is opening going down. It doesn't always happen, but sometimes they open the opposite. All right, 350. Gotta wait and see. Benminton says, why you stop sharing Forex signals in your free Telegram? Only US30 and NASDAQ are not enough. Please share gold and other Forex signals so we can make money. I'm unable to train the VIP. I appreciate the suggestion and not really the tone. It's like I'm giving something free and you're like, why? What you giving me free is not enough, right? Sad. Is anybody here from a private group? Let me just go ahead and share the link. Which trading app is this? This is TradingView, actually. It's not an app. All right, gotta open my other positions because they didn't have, none of them actually had like a huge movement. All right. So since it's Friday, we don't have any actually, important news, anything going on. We got something at 6:30 that didn't affect the market at all. And so we should get some volume within the next 30 minutes. I mean, between 13:30 GMT and 14, or 9:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If it doesn't happen within that time, then probably it's not going to happen. I appreciate the likes, people. I really do. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing this type of streamings more often on Fridays. Since I usually don't trade on Fridays, honestly. But just to give you some extra here on my YouTube channel, I decided that it should be fun. And for those of you who are not familiar to these trades or anything like that, you guys can go to blwsignalsgroup.com, blwsignalsgroup.com, and yeah. But I do have an announcement to make. Let me know if somebody wants to know the announcement right now. It's something pretty big, pretty huge. Maybe, yeah. So let me know in the live chat if you guys want to know the big news. Yeah. You wanna? Well, do you remember that I think it was a year or maybe a little bit more before ago, we used to have a Forex copy trader, like no signals, no suggestions, no trading setups, but directly a copy trading service. Do you see why I told you guys to go below the support level? It would have been a fake out. So the BLW Forex Auto Trader, it's now again live. Yep. This is something big. Why is that? Because instead of you actually trading, following the trades, placing the positions, and so on, now you will be able to just copy the positions. How's that gonna work? US30 is about to get activated. There you go. US30 activated. Let's see if we can catch some momentum right now. I'm happy with like $300. Honestly, today, I don't think I'm gonna wait for the 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 or anything. I'm happy with the 1-to-1 simply because it's Friday. I don't trade on Friday, so any profit is good profit, especially when you don't trade. The spread kind of opened my trade slightly a little bit above. I'm going to continue talking about the copy trader in just a little bit. Right now that the buy option actually activated, I'm just going to close the sell. Not because it's not going to get activated. Maybe it will. But like I said, it's Friday and I don't want to go with 2, 3, 4 trades today. I'm okay. I'm also okay. Well, NASDAQ, I'm going to keep it open. All right, so US30 actually went all the way up to this level, these wicks, and retracted a bit. I still trust the momentum, so we'll see. If we lose the trade, that's fine. We can recover on the next one, maybe today, maybe on Monday, but we're still good. Now, getting back to the BLW Forex copy trader, instead of you actually placing trades, the BLW Forex copy trader, we're gonna place all the trades from Lester, Luis, Harry, and myself into an actual main account, and all of the trades are gonna be copied into your account 100% automatically. This does not work with MT4 or MT5. Okay, just want to say that up front. No MT4. Yeah, no MT5. But once you actually start doing that, instead of you actually placing the trades, we're going to place it for you. I opened it for another 100 positions. This is something that has been closed for like a year. So go ahead and check it out. BLWForexCopyTrader.com. BLWForexCopyTrader.com. And another thing that you should keep in mind is that we are going to be trading with 0.25% of our balance. Why is that? It's because we want you to take the less possible risk. If you want to take the 0. Oh, did one get activated? NASDAQ? All right, NASDAQ is activated. I'm going to close the buy. So if you guys want to take, let's say 1% per trade, you can do it. There's a form that you're going to have to fill out with whatever percentages that you want to follow. And if you want to, let's say, put 5% or 10% because you're trading with a real account, not a funded, you can also do that too, and so on. So there's going to be a bunch of options, but we are going to be trading very conservatively so that you don't actually mess up with your funded accounts. Okay? So this is available right now already. BLW Forex CopyTrader.com. This is a huge fake out from NASDAQ. BLWForexCopyTrader.com. Go ahead and check it out right now. I'll put the link right there in the chat. I don't think I have it in the description. But yeah, the price is the same as it used to be, $99.99 and $499.99 for 6 months and $9.99 for a whole year. Fully automated. And the coolest thing is that once you actually access this, you're still going to have access to the BLWSignalsGroup.com. You're still going to have access to the BLW US30 indicator and the BLW Auto Trader as well, which, by the way, I didn't open the BLW Auto Trader today. I forgot. Still, I don't see big movements actually going on, to be honest. I see pretty stable market, no volume, just fake outs. According to a US30 indicator, NASDAQ is going to be a sell. We'll see. The stop loss, I think I put it like a little bit too low. It would have been way better somewhere here. I don't want to risk much. I'm going to put it somewhere here. Just want to avoid the fake out and still give it an opportunity to trade. We'll see. All right. US30. It's actually getting ready to fall. If you notice in 1 hour candlesticks, we are looking at, let me just delete this. It's just very confusing. To continue to be an uptrend. I've actually noticed it before. Nah, it took us out. It took us out. I still think that the price could jump. And if it does a little bit above this, you could have a second entry if you want to. All right. If you're already lost money or you don't want to trade today, it's fine. You can still just avoid the trade. But the big fake out kind of tells you that the price can still start jumping again. I want to delete this. No. All of the Fibonacci. All right. Now, the only problem that I see with NASDAQ is that it's having the exact same movement. Holy crap, going up. So we might have a small touch on the support level and then start jumping. What can we do? No, it's not gonna work on MetaTrader. It's gonna work with CTrader, MatchTrader, DXTrader, and some other platforms. I'm not sure which others. But yeah, not MetaTrader. I don't know. NASDAQ could be looking for a small correction of price, but it had to be something here. You know, like it could drop right there and then start jumping again. We don't know. It's yeah, it's a typical Friday, honestly. Will it work with Oanda? Depending what platform Oanda has. It used to work with MT4 and MT5. But the majority of the companies right now, nowadays, they don't offer MT4, MT5. They offer the other platforms, you know. All right, so it's just staying there in the middle. Like I said, there's a huge possibility that the price will actually start going up from here. Uh, why? Take a look at the actual trending. All right, we have a clear uptrend. Um, all right, so I can have indicators too. So trading view doesn't work. Like if you don't pay anything, it doesn't work. Is that right? So stupid. But you can see the actual trend, right? And so there's a huge possibility that the price will continue going up. It's just retesting some levels and then it's going to continue going up. If I leave this trade open, I'm going to leave it somewhere like here. Right there. Because it's kind of more like a swing trade and I'm not going to be around like looking at it the whole time. All right, share with me what the platform is and then I can tell you. All right, step me out right here on NASDAQ as well. Well, what can we do? After the week we've been able to have, actually, if I share the Tredzilla, oh, holy cow. This is the Tradzilla account for the past month. Take a look. Right now, I have to update the 25th, which is today, with 2 losses. But take a look at the previous days. We won. These are losing days, the 3 of them. Winning day, losing, no trading on Friday. Losing day, I didn't trade on Tuesday the 15th. Then winning day, I didn't trade last Thursday. I didn't trade on Friday. This week, it's just insane. Freaking insane. And so it's okay to have one losing day, honestly. Today is going to be a 0% day win. This is going to go low, and the profit factor most likely is going to go down as well. But overall, we are profitable, and that's basically what's important. So, yeah, I also think that this price could actually start going up, if I can be honest with you. I can go to 801 or something, and I can risk like 5% of my balance, not 5, 0.5. Let's see. I'm gonna go with even little on that. All right. And I'm just gonna leave it run. because yeah. Can I get closer view your US30 setup? This is the US30. This one right here. Oh, take a look at the drop. Now it's dropping. I'm looking at a good chance right here, people. I'm just gonna take the risk. You can take it with me or not. It's really, really, really up to you. But I kind of like the big push. Finally getting some momentum. Finally. During this session, we haven't have momentum at all. The only thing is that I would close it somewhere here because this support level seems a little bit strong. Questions? Sorry, can I get a closer? All right, so Chris, please, we need more clarification on the auto trader. There are so many changes. I feel like there's no changes. You gotta use it on US 30 and US 100. That's it. US 30 or US 100. Basically, what the robo is going to do is that it's going to activate a trade based on support and resistance breakout. I don't think you can see this because I'm sharing not my screen, but my window. But yeah. So right now there's a breakout, for instance, and so that's when the auto trader will actually send the trade. So there's no huge, there are no changes or anything. Okay. All right, I have a question. If the New York starts at 13, why do you start trading by 14.15? No, I start at 13.15. And it's because at 7 o'clock or 9 a.m. New York Standard Time, the market opens, but US 30 and US 100 opens at 7:30. That's when the big movement starts to happen. Sometimes it happens slightly before. Nah, are you kidding that you're gonna give me a new fake out? It's just insane. But yeah, this is why I don't trade on Fridays. It could happen any time of the day, of the week, of course. But yeah, I wanted to have some time with you guys, share a few trades here and there. But yeah, if by any chance, like I said, you guys will be interested on doing the copy trading instead of you actually like copying trades manually, then what you can do is you can go to blwforexcopytrader.com, join me, and yeah, we'll see you there. That's going to be it for today, people. Hopefully you guys had a good trading session. Well, maybe not the best of the week, but yeah, I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.